Hi everybody, it's Fortune Kid, and today we are going to be opening up our second box of the Attack on Titan boosters for Weiss Schwarz. And we have 20 packs in the box, so let's open it up. And for this video we'll do 5 packs. We'll make the videos a little bit shorter, so in this video we'll open up the first 5 packs. Alright, and as you know, inside of each booster box you do get a pack of promo cards, and let's see which one we got. We got the Aaron one, which is a bit of a bummer because that's the same one that I got in the first box. Oh well, maybe we'll use that as trading material. Okay, so let's just pick out the first 5 packs. There's 2. There's the first 5 packs. Let's open them up and let's see what we get. Alright, first pack. We've got Proud Soldier Levi, Disheartened Mikasa, Confusion Armin, Memories of the Past Aaron, Gentle Ally Connie, Broken Wall Colossal Titan. This is a card that you need for the Titan build. Our rare is the 104th Cadet Corps Sasha, and we got the Climax card Truth. Alright, next pack. Predation Titan, Battle Stance Mikasa, 104th Cadet Corps Connie, Sharp Tongue Ymir, Calm and Collected Mikasa, Anti-Titan Device Omnidirectional Mobility Gear. Our rare is Beyond the Walls Aaron. That's nice, I need that one for my core deck, so it's good that I got that. And then our Climax card is What We Should Focus On. Alright. Third pack. Scout Regiment Section Commander. I think I found out the correct pronunciation on this. It's Hanji. 104th Cadet Corps Ymir, Rite of Passage Armin, Invasion Titan, Call from the Heart Armin. Our rare is Firm Will Aaron Titan, and ooh, we got an SP, Frank Disposition Hanji. So that's nice. Nice to get an SP there. And our Climax card is the Blue Subjugation Climax. Alright, fourth pack. Overwhelming Power Female Titan, Brave Warrior Aaron, Tolerant Personality Marco. Hopefully you can see the card completely. Member of Levi Squad Gunther, Threat to Humanity Colossal Titan. So that's the other part of the level 2 Titan card that you need for the Titan build. The level 3 goes in the middle. Anti-Titan Device Snapblade. Our rare is Resisting Fate Aaron. Very nice, level 3 rare. And we have the Crushing Blow Climax card. Alright, the 5th and last pack for this video. We've got Outer Wall Research Irwin, Titan Ability Aaron Titan. Very menacing look on this card. Sore Loser Personality Jean, 104th Cadet Corps Class Aaron, Scout Regiment Commanding Officer Irwin, Anti-Titan device, omnidirectional mobility gear, the one with Aaron on there. Our rare is the over fastidious personality Levi, level 0 rare. And our climax card is same class in red. So, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Thanks.